Is there a reset button on a Frigidaire upright freezer? Yes, most Frigidaire upright freezers do come equipped with a reset button. The location of the reset button can vary depending on the specific model, but it is typically found either inside the freezer or on the control panel on the front of the appliance. If you're facing an issue with your freezer and want to perform a reset, here's a general guide on how to do it. Step 1. Locate the reset button. Check inside the freezer, near the control panel, or consult your freezer's user manual to find the exact location of the reset button. Step 2. Unplug the freezer. Before pressing the reset button, it's a good idea to unplug the freezer from the power outlet. This will ensure your safety while performing the reset. Step 3. Wait for a few minutes. After unplugging the freezer, wait for about 5 to 10 minutes. This will allow any residual electricity to dissipate and give the freezer's components a chance to reset. Step 4. Press the reset button. Press and hold the reset button for a few seconds. This will vary depending on the model, so refer to your user manual for specific instructions. Step 5. Plug the freezer back in. After pressing the reset button, plug the freezer back into the power outlet. Step 6. Monitor the freezer. Once the freezer is plugged in, monitor it for any changes. The reset might have resolved the issue you were facing. If not, you may need to consider seeking professional repair assistance. Remember that these instructions are general guidelines and may not apply to every Frigidaire upright freezer model. Always consult your freezer's user manual for precise instructions related to resetting and troubleshooting. If you're unable to find the reset button or if the reset doesn't resolve your issue, it's recommended to contact Frigidaire's customer support or a professional appliance repair service for further assistance.